As long as you're a Southeasterner, you are happy with arrest of this guy. That is why nobody talk about him. Nobody care. Nobody go for him. Nobody is ready to contribute a faden because he messed up. Nobody is proud of him, and sure should understand this. You don't fight a nation, Igbo nation, and expect everybody to be quiet. Then I see you, Sonny, I see you. Thank you guys for your comments. We are here this late hour to do, should I say a recap, just to conclude what happened, in the day. So, Showore is not, he will not say that he don't know what is going on. I believe he does, and it's not as if they're tampering on his human right, like you likely said in this post, that they're coming after his human right and all that, his freedom. I don't think so. They did not arrest ijela on time, to be honest with you. They did not arrest him on time. They allowed him for a very long time, and people were thinking that this guy have a serious contact. Now, just let's watch. They don't fail. Now, watch this again. Watch it again. Let me take it back. Pay attention. You will hear where Showore is telling, because he says, "Sir, oh yeah, now." Showore reply him, "Don't worry, they don't fail." You understand? They don't fail. ijela says, "Sir, oh yeah, now." He said, he replied to him, "They don't fail. They're kind of giving him a hope. But my concern is this: I'm not against you, Showore, going after, speaking for voiceless, or just to fighting for somebody that don't have, so anyone that don't have anybody to fight for him. But in the case of ijela actually commits something that he deserves even a harder punishment. I hope you understand. Do you know that ijela threatened the life of people, many people? Ijela actually, lay false allegation on many people, even including his own villagers, and they were pied by Nigerian security force for no just reason. A lot of atrocities have been committed by this guy. And I don't know why some people, those people that support, that are Ebukobi's fan and all that, I watched a video of one is it Jetpack Okwayon? He said in his recent video that Zion Ministry, Ebukobi's ministry, have dropped their charges and they are no longer holding ijela. Surprise, surprise! This video that you are watching here, the lawyers of Zion Ministry are there, according to Showore. Because if you follow what he posts, what I just read, you understand that he actually was talking about Ebukobi. He mentioned it, not even that he's not as if he's talking about him indirectly. So it's a direct statement, and he mentioned Ebukobi's there and the ministry and the man of God and all that. To enforce, they are watching brief to enforce fundamental human rights violation. They're here to enforce violation of fundamental human rights. 30 lawyers to violate human rights. This is the lawyer, the Falana that he's talking about. He was talking about. Look at him. So that is it. No need to blackmail the judge in these circumstances. High Court does not entertain oral bail application unless the persecutor is not opposed to it. The application should have been formal because for nothing that is a Lagos, the court is in Lagos and Chowore is there. So these are heavyweights in their own capacity, isn't it? So they would believe that once they go there, they can just use oral statement to convince the court to free Ijele just like that. Do you know people behind Ijele's case? And who told you that after you release him that he will not get another arrest because he have offended many people? What he did to Ebuka Obi, he have done it to Jerry Omotofemi. I need to pronounce the man's name very well. I don't know how to pronounce it. This Mercy Ministry in Delta State, the founder, he have done that. He printed a very big banner against that man in the past, and see see his head. Take mic and tell me why you won't vote this man. He's still talking about this. This one is from Oduduwa. The same Ijele speak who always insult my MNK before now. He said that he's the one that put MNK there, that he will buy there. The video is trending. So we saw those things, and you jump out to defend. I don't know who's rapping the witch that you are smoking. To be honest, if you know, I thought you say you have intel, so you have Sahara reporters. That journalists that give you information. So they couldn't even play to inform you about the atrocities of Ijele speak. Somebody that talk without minding how you feel. They like I was told that he said to the judge before that he was doing all those things because of hunger. He don't have a job. And I will not doubt it because the day they kidnapped him, one of the things that people were kind of one of the worry that comes up that time was a woman that sells fufu in the Ijele streets, and Ijele picked some wrap of fufu from the woman, and Ijele told the woman that in the evening time I will return the money for you. Let me go to police station. Police they send the invitation to him. He believed that he would just go there and he will come back as Odogu. And so once he come back, he'll make another video. So when he went there, then they locked him up, and that is the end. So the woman was, shouting and asking people help. How can she get her 200 fufu, back? And people, no Igbo man agreed to pay fufu that Ijele eats. Which simply means that Ijele were kind of having some financial challenges, and he was doing all those things to get view, generate traffic on his page to make money, and he don't realize that some of those things that he was doing would land him to where he is today, and that is why it's a lesson for anybody to learn. If you want, you can learn from that. So we are not going to read more comment on that. Let's move to another thing. Biafran self-referendum in the homeland is changing gear. Every day we are seeing video pumping out, video that PM shared, a lot of them, a lot. And the one we are, let me see if we have.
Reject the evil contraption called Nigeria.
Okay, let's listen to this one.
Biafrans have gathered again today to exercise our civil rights through voting, referendum voting. We are here to reject the evil contraption called Nigeria. We are here to tell them that we are not part of the marriage again. Biafrans are voting massively here, as you can see. The referendum is going on here, and the people have gathered in the masses to vote, to exercise their civil rights, to vote through this ongoing referendum. And Biafrans are here. We are here to reject Nigeria totally. We are here to reject that evil contraption called Nigeria. We are saying no more to anything that has to do with the zoo again.